Hello students and friends, you all are welcome to this class. In the impact of the jet chapter, today we should discuss about problems on moving flat plates of inclined flat plates. Let's start now. Please pause the video and note down in your copy. Read the question. A 75 mm diameter jet having a velocity of 30 meter per second strikes a flat plate, the normal of which is inclined at 45 to the axis of the jet. This means this 45 degree is the theta, which is inclination of inclined flat plate and direction of the jet. Find the normal pressure on the plate. That means what is the force exerted on the plate to the normal of the plate. Given conditions are when the plate is stationary. That means when plate is stationary, we have to find out force exerted on the to the normal to the plate, and when the plate is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second in the direction of the jet away from the jet. That means plate velocity u is given 15 meter per second. In that case also we have to determine the normal force, that is Fn. Also determine the power and efficiency of the jet when the plate is moving. We have to calculate power and efficiency in the case 2 only, because when the plate is stationary there is no work done and no efficiency. Let's write down the given data. Diameter of the jet 75 mm, d equal to 75 mm, by dividing 1000 we get 0.075 meter. Therefore area of the jet A equal to pi by 4 into d square, which is equal to pi by 4 into 0.075 square, equal to 0.004418 meter square. Given that inclination of the plate to the jet is 45 degree, angle between the jet and plate is theta equal to 90 degree minus 45 degree equal to 45 degree. The normal of the jet is 45 degree, therefore theta equal to 90 minus 45 degree. Velocity of the jet v equal to 30 meter per second. It is clearly given that velocity of the jet strikes the flat plate at a rate of 30 meter per second. Velocity of the plate u equal to 15 meter per second when the plate is moving in the second case. First consider case 1 when the plate is stationary. When the plate is stationary, we have to find out only the normal force. Therefore normal force acting on the plate Fn equal to rho a v square sin theta. Here theta equal to 45 degree and v equal to 30 degree, rho of water. Therefore it is a water striking. Assume the fluid flowing or striking is the water. Therefore rho equal to 1000 kg per meter cube and cross sectional area equal to 0.004418 meter square into 30 square into sin 45, which becomes 2811.6 Newton. This is the answer of one part. Next, consider the second case when the plate is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second, that is u equal to 15 meter per second. In that case, when moving plate case, Fn equal to the normal force acting on the plate by the jet, Fn equal to rho a v minus u square into sin theta. We have already derived this one in the previous video. By putting the values of rho a, capital V and u and theta, we get 702.9 Newton. This is the normal force acting on the plate. But Fx equal to the force in the direction of the jet acting on the plate. Fx equal to Fn sin theta equal to 702.9 into sin 45 equal to 497 Newton. Therefore, work done by the jet equal to Fx into u. Because plate is moving in the direction of the jet, therefore work done equal to force in the direction of the jet into distance moved by the plate per second, that is Fx into u. Fx equal to 497 Newton and u equal to 15 meter. Therefore work done per second equal to 497 into 15 equal to 7455 Newton meter per second. Power of the jet is nothing but power of the jet equal to work done per second, that is equal to 7455 Newton meter per second, or it may called as joule per second, which is equal to 7455 watt. Which by dividing 1000 we get 7.455 kilowatt. This is the power of the jet. Now we have to find out the efficiency of the jet. We know that the formula for the efficiency of the jet equal to work done on the plate per second divided by kinetic energy supplied by jet per second. But we know that kinetic energy supplied by the jet per second equal to half mv square equal to half rho av into v square, which equal to half into 1000 into 0.004418 into 30 into 30 square. That means by putting the value of rho as 1000, small a, that is the cross sectional area of the jet equal to 0.004418, and v as 30, we get 59,640 Newton meter per second. Therefore efficiency of the jet equal to work done per second divided by kinetic energy supplied by jet per second into 100 equal to 7455 divided by 59,640 into 100 equal to 12.5%. The summary of answers are: when the plate is stationary, normal force acting on the plate equal to 2811.6 Newton, and when the plate is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second, in that case a normal force on the plate equal to 702.9 Newton, and power of the jet equal to 7.455 kilowatt, and efficiency of the jet equal to 12.5%. I hope we have understood it clearly. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.